Again. Later na yan. O, tapos, o. Sige, mommy will clean up that mess. Kain na. Kain na lang muna. Yes. It's okay. Pag ganyan, ganyan. Yan. Ganyan po. Good job. Wow! Up. Ganyan. Yan. Then, put it in your mouth. Very good. Good job. Oops.
Wow!
That one. Yan. Careful. Oh, still on your spoon. Look, they're still on your spoon. Oh, see? Good job. Wow! Wala. Again. You scoop. Again. You scoop. Again. Wow! Then, wow! Good job. Kain na, ha? Yummy? Yes. Sige. You practice. Wow! Wow! Good job! More practice. You do it again. It's okay. It's okay. Good job.
Bubble.
Bubbles? There's a bubbles? Wow. What's that? That's a okra. Okra. Eat na po. Good job. Wow. Good job.
Baba.
Yes, eat na po. Wow! You scoop big. Put it in the mouth. Slow down. Good job! Ang daming natapon. Sige, mami, we're gonna clean? Ayaw mo nang may nakaano sa paa mo. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Again. Wow. Good job. Wow, that's a okra. Good job. Very good, Rasha. Good job. It's okay. It's okay. Eat. Ayaw mo na naman nasa kamay mo. Ano? Punasan ni mama. Wala na. Ito again. Wow! Ang galing naman na ng baby Rasha naming mag-eat. Ang galing naman na ng baby Rasha mag-spoon. What's that? Spoon. In your mouth. Yay! Good job!
Baba.
What's that? There's a bubbles? No? Wala namang bubbles. Wash, wash, wash. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Yes, we were gonna wash your hands later. Oh, eat first. Come on, you eat first. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy.
Apple.
Apple. Yes. Apple. Yes, that's an apple. Good job, Rasha.
Bubble.
You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, you wave. You wave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wow. Good job. O, tama na, gigil kain na.